Hey Dan, and welcome to my vlog. And we're at Best Buy, one of my favorite places, because they carry the DJIs. There's your Spark, the Mavic. They don't have the Mavic 2 yet, but it's coming, and the Mavic 4, which they don't have the Mavic 5 coming out. And of course they got the Phantom 4. No, it was two of them together. And then the little Mavic Air, which is a fold-up. I think that's pretty cool. It's got the controller. The controller hasn't got a monitor on it. And then Anify, the Parrot, which has got a whole kit. This is a new one. I haven't seen this one yet. Wingland. It's definitely a fold up. That's something new. Of course, the Typhoons, which are big units, and you can actually change out the cameras on these. But I got going over here on parts and accessories, and look what I found. A lighting kit, which I think is really going to be really cool, because I'm going to pick one up. I think compact for the DJI Mavic Pro and Mavic Pro Platinum, of course, are the same. But you got your strobe. This strobe's got direct. It's got the distance. You can adjust it through your app. 7 speeds. 0 to 100 feet if you drop it in the water. Good for 45 to 60 minutes. 360 degree adjustability. And what was something else? Oh, yeah, that's what I was looking at. It's got 15,000 or 1,500 illuminants. Those puppies are bright. Remember, folks, you can only you gotta fly within twilight. And that's, 30 minutes after sunset and 30 minutes before sunrise. They also got filters for the camera, which I never really knew. You got a DJI hood, small remote phone holder, so you don't have to slide it into those holders. Got more filters. I'm gonna have to be looking into more of that as time comes. And a huge, a bigger holder for iPads, and that's what I'm looking. And here's that. This is the one I was looking at. This one will hold those particular iPads. So I'm looking into that right now, because I want a bigger monitor. I don't want to be using my phone, because I need my phone for other things while I'm doing my flights. So I thought I'd just bring those to your attention, and they are at Best Buy. I thought that was really cool. I'd like to add those to that eventually. And of course, I'm going to get the bigger adapter. So anyway, don't forget to comment, subscribe, and definitely share. We'll catch you on the next Altitude.